Okay, guys. I've been redesigning my tic-tac-toe game, as you know. Um, we're looking at my JavaScript file, which at this particular time is under construction. Um, I did figure out how to get the the images to show up in uh, my table squares, which is very exciting. Man, I banged my head against the wall for several days trying to make that happen. So let me just show you what I've got so far. Um, Now, if you don't know me already, you should know that I have sort of a thing for pirates, which you probably figured out already. So let's take a look at my folder here. This is the Pirate Tic-Tac-Toe folder. This is Pirate is sort of a joke that I use. I play Uncharted Waters online, and there's bounty hunters and pirates, etc. That's the only game that I really enjoy and have for a while, and that's sort of a joke from the game that I play. But if you look at my folder here, you can see that I have a JavaScript folder. I have an index Hotmail file. I have a CSS folder and an audio folder. This is my file stack. I have JavaScript main in here where I'm building my JavaScript. I have a style CSS where I'm building the style and the actual design of the game in CSS, and then I have an audio file where I have these audio MP3s that I'm using for the game. So let's open the index Hotmail, and you can see that I have been changing the look and making this game a little nicer, a little more dressier, and the pirate style theme you can clearly see. Okay, so what we have now is we have this background music, which I also changed. Let's take a look now. When you click the play now button, it doesn't do anything right now except for let you know this message. It sets this message: pirates on the starboard, captain, prepare to fight. So if you were to start this game, you would start generally in the center square. So when the player plays, look at this, we've got crossed swords. The next move will be made by the computer. Right now, the computer is not capable of making those moves. I haven't written the logic in the JavaScript yet, but we'll go ahead and make the move, and we'll go here, and it's a bomb for the player, cross swords for the player, and a bomb for the PC. Now, what I want to show you, another thing that I'm going to do once I get the logic written into the JavaScript for the PC to make these moves, is I have sound effects that are going to take place and play when these moves are made. So you remember we looked in the folder in the file stack, we have this audio file. Now this epic chase is what we're playing as a background music now, but we have when the computer makes its move, we're going to have a cannon fire. And when the player makes his move, we're going to have this battle noise. So each time the moves go back and forth, we're going to make these moves, and we're going to hear these sound effects. They will play in conjunction with the background music. I need to actually take a look at that cannon fire and return and try to adjust the volume so that it's more in tune with the rest of this game. But so this is where we're at. I'm looking at adding these sound effects. I still need to write the logic to make all of this work, but you can see that I am making some progress. We've got the images are writing in the table now, which is just amazing to me. It took me so long to figure that out, so I'm really pleased about that. So guys, if you're having a hard time and you are struggling, with something, just keep at it. Ask somebody for advice. Use Google. Use the other resources that you have at your disposal. But stay with it. If you keep with it, you will get it. this is proof. I mean, this is proof that if you stick with it, it will happen. It's going to take some effort sometimes. Some days it seems like it takes forever and I make no progress. But looking at this, like, I feel good about this. This is looking up. Next step, logic for the PC to make a move and add the player move sound effects. So I hope you guys are enjoying my videos, and this will inspire you to stay working on your own projects and keep this going. So peace out. See you guys next time.